Good day, everyone. Today, we're going to learn how to write an editorial. An editorial is a type of persuasive writing where the writer expresses an opinion on an issue and tries to convince the readers to agree with that opinion. Editorials are common in newspapers, school papers, and writing competitions. A strong editorial has five important parts. Number one is hook or lead. This is your attention grabber. It could be a question, a surprising fact, or a short story to get the reader interested. Number two is the thesis statement. So, this is your stand or opinion. What do you believe about the topic? Number three, body or the supporting arguments. This is where you explain your reasons. Give two or three strong points with examples, facts, or logic. Number four is the counterargument plus rebuttal. Here you mention what others might say against your opinion, but then you explain why your side still makes more sense. Number five is the conclusion. This is your ending. You restate your stand and leave a strong final thought or a call to action. Now, let's see a full example. Our topic is, should phones be banned in classrooms? So here's the hook: TikTok or textbooks. These days, students spend more time staring at their screens than at the chalkboard. Here's a thesis statement: phones should be banned in classrooms to help students stay focused and improve their learning. Here are the supporting arguments. First, phones are a major distraction. Even one notification can pull a student's attention away from the lesson. Second, phones open the door to cheating and online bullying, both of which hurt the classroom environment. Here is the counter argument and rebuttal. Some may argue that phones can be used for research. That's true. But most students use them for games, social media, or texting. If technology is needed, schools can provide tablets or laptops that are safer and more focused on learning. And here's the conclusion: to protect learning and keep students focused, phones should be left outside the classroom. It's time to choose education over destruction. And that's how you write a simple but powerful editorial. Remember, be clear, be respectful, and support your opinion with reasons.